The Dell UltraSharp U4919DW stands out because it is the first ultra-low 49-inch monitor with a QHD resolution. It is extremely wide, has a pixel count that reaches a maximum of 5120 x 1440, costs $1,699 but can be found for $1,349 for sale and can be divided into two 27-inch views of 16:9. Its immense size and resolution means you will have room to play on the screen, with enough vertical pixels to make the on-screen elements appear proportionate, despite its exceptional 32:9 aspect ratio. The UltraSharp U4919DW is surely not for players or creatives. It has no HDR, is limited to a 60 Hz refresh rate, has no frame synchronization technology and has no other color certification than 99% sRGB. For those of you looking for better multimedia performance, Samsung's next 49-inch monitor with 120 Hz update, HDR and FreeSync 2 may be a better option. By giving you the virtual real space of two 27-inch QHD monitors without a separate bezel, the U4919DW monitor is best suited for financial and business users, the kind of people who need to display and work on massive Excel documents.